Hello everyone. We had learnt about leaf in the previous chapter. Okay, how leaf is important for the plant as well as for us. And now we have to start new chapter, and the name of the chapter is the importance of plant. In this chapter we have to study about the importance of plant, that how plants are useful for us. We know that plants provide us many things, many things. The oxygen that we breathe, food, medicines, spices, clothes, paper, wood for furniture, for construction work, etc. So we have to study the importance of plant.
Plants are of great importance in our life. Plants not only make us feel good, but are very useful and important for us in many ways. Let us study more about their uses and importance. We depend on plants for our various necessities like food, paper, wood fuel, medicines, oil, paper, etc. So plant give us food in the form of fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. Plant also give us wood, and this wood is used for various purposes. It is used for making furniture and constructing houses and other useful items. We also get paper, rubber, cotton, oils, spices, medicines, and so many other things from different plants. Some plants like tulsi, neem, ginger, and garlic are used to make medicines. So, plants provide us many things which we require for day to day work. Apart from providing so many useful things, plants gives us something very important for all living things, and this is oxygen gas, the gas we all need for breathing. We know that we inhale oxygen gas and exhale carbon dioxide, and trees use the carbon dioxide which we breathe out and in turn gives us oxygen gas which we breathe. Therefore, plants increase the amount of oxygen in the air, and thus plants purify the atmosphere. Hence, plants also act as air purifier. Plants also bind the soil with the help of their roots, which prevents soil erosion. Because we know that the roots of the trees hold the soil firmly and keeping it intact, and thus protect it from getting washed away. Plants also help in bringing rain, as plants absorb the water from the soil and release it into the atmosphere, and they have an influence on atmosphere condition which can cause rain.
So we have learnt that plant is very important gift of nature for us. So we must take care of plants so that their number does not decrease. And if we have to survive on earth, we have to protect the plants. And there are many ways that we can do to conserve the plants.
So, there are many ways in which all of us can help to conserve plants. As let us not cut trees, we should use only those branches and leaves that have fallen down. And we need to save our forest and put a ban on deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. That means we should not cut trees, because the places with less plants or trees slowly become desert. and the places with more plants or trees get more rain and have cool weather. Thus, trees bring down temperature and also purify air during the daytime, as we already studied it. So, we should save forest, we should save plants and trees, and there should be punishment for those who cut down the trees. And we should promote afforestation. Afforestation means planting more and more trees. So, to promote afforestation, that is planting of new plants, we should celebrate Van Mahotsav by planting saplings in the schools and neighborhood areas. We should also take full care of these saplings and let them grow into plants and trees. And all of us should take steps to protect forest against forest fires. These are the some ways in which all of us can help to conserve plants. Now it's time to do exercise of this chapter. First we will have to do keywords. Afforestation. Afforestation means planting of new trees. Deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. Necessities. Necessities means basic needs, daily needs. Purifier. Purifier means something which helps in removing impurities. Survive. Survive means to live. Now fill in the blanks. First, plants are dashed to us in many ways. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Garlic and ginger plants are also used to make dash. Garlic and ginger plants are also used to make medicines. Next is plants give out dash gas during daytime. Plants give out oxygen gas during daytime. Next one is people who cut down trees should be dashed. People who cut down trees should be punished. And all living things need oxygen gas for dash. All living things need oxygen gas for breathing. Now, true and false. We must protect plants to survive on the earth. True or false? True. We must protect plants to survive on the earth. Next one is fallen leaves can be burnt. No, fallen leaves cannot be burnt. It should be used for making compost. So it is false. We should encourage deforestation. Absolutely wrong. It is false because we should encourage afforestation. We should not encourage deforestation because cutting down of trees is harmful for us and afforestation is useful for us because plant provide us many useful things. Next one is only a few of us need to try to increase the number of plants and trees. Absolutely wrong. It is false because all of us need to try to increase the number of plants and trees. And last one is plants give us food only. No, plants gives us. Now we have to tick the correct option. You have given 4 options out of which only one is correct. First is they are an important gift of nature. Toys, plants, cars or mobiles. What are important gift of nature? Plants. Plants are an important gift of nature. Next is plants gives us dash, wool, wood, egg, butter. Plant give us wood. Next is efforts need to be made to protect forest from fires, rains, air or animals. Efforts need to be made to protect forest from fires. And now you have something to do. You have to make a collage of different things that we get from plants and you make a paper bags with old newspapers and decorate them. And grow a sapling and watch it to grow and make a video of it.